Max is out for the day. Three of us are about to rip over to the Yamaha dealership to get his Triumph inspected. Alright, yeah, so we're gonna mob over here to the Yamaha dealership. I think it's the Yamaha and Triumph dealership. Sarge back there on the Triumph, he's gonna get his bike inspected. That time of the year for everybody, I guess. Good little breakfast we just had over at the shop club though. You guys have seen me ride over there many times with this group of guys. Finally started to warm up just a hair today. I think these clouds are gonna burn off in the next hour, which will be nice. Get the sun out, and then it's supposed to get up in the high 50s. Right now it's still sitting right around 51 degrees. Here we go. Guess we're going here. There's the sun. And we're green to go. Hey, nice. See what bikes these guys got in stock right now. Alright, visor's getting all fogged up here. What is that, a 22?
Yeah, that's the new.
It's got the new livery on it?
Yeah.
Looks sick.
They just made a new, new color.
R6 over here. Wonder if this guy's taking delivery of this bike.
I knew we were coming, so I looked at their website and I saw this guy. But I could tell, like, zooming in on all the photos, I was like, dude, it's probably so clapped out.
It's kind of rough. Yeah.
I would love, like, the 06 to 09 generation R6.
Is that this style?
This is actually the 09, is what's on their website. But just to make a track bike out of it.
That'd be sick. That one that you sent in Instagram the other day is awesome.
That was a shop that was doing custom wings.
Yeah, that thing was clean, dude. I liked it. That thing was sick.
Or, you know what Max and I should do is get like used, clapped out, like Hyper 21s, like a track Hyper.
Yeah, there you go, Yamaha R1M.
Being helper right, man?
That thing's clean.
Just hanging out. I got a buddy who's trying to get his inspection done.
A couple more R1s over here. That's the anniversary edition. Those things are pretty cool. Pretty clean. So that's really going to be it for today's video. I got to see us kind of run around, went to the Bikes and Coffee meet this morning, stopped over at the shop for some lunch, and then ran over to the Yamaha dealership. It was a fun day. Finally started to warm up a little bit here, so the ride home ain't going to be too bad. The next time you guys see me ride, I'll probably be taking the bike up to North Texas Superbikes. We got to get oil changed and some other things. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this one, hit the thumbs up button. Go down below and subscribe to the channel for future content, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.